Can you guys see this thing kind of peeling off? It's not super ugly, but it makes the car look very cheap, kind of worn out. And this side is a little bit better, but you see there's some dent here. Once I pull this out, I'm gonna try to repair that, and you see all these scuff marking here. So I'm gonna try to take this out, both pieces, and try to paint it, obviously with a different material than I painted here. So far, it's been a few weeks since I did this, and a week later I did this. This is looking really good. It's holding up really nicely. I really like it, and I'm really glad I did this. So after I tackle this, I'm gonna try to tackle the dashboard here. It's kind of cracking all over the place, you know. So I'm gonna try to fill some of these blemishes and then paint. So to get started, you'll have to remove the bottom panel here first, and it comes off fairly easy. Just use a small screwdriver like this, okay, and just rotate it and it will pop off. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side as well. Okay, so once you got both left and right side popped off, you're gonna actually kind of pull it forward, okay? And to disconnect this, you're gonna squeeze this area here, okay? And then pull it out, okay? So you gotta squeeze this piece here, and when you pull it out, it's gonna be like this. So the ideal is you're gonna come in from the side here, right? And then turn the screwdriver a little bit, or pry on it this way, and it'll come off. If you do it close to where this clips are, it'll come off easier, and also here in the front. Okay, I believe this is the light that shines onto this area here. And then once you got it loosened, then you want to pull it out this way, okay, because you got this these things that sits inside. I can't believe how dirty this is. So once you got the bottom piece out, if you follow my camera here, down, and towards the bottom, you can see there's a screw here, okay? Same thing on the other side, and that's what's holding this bracket here, okay? So I'm gonna loosen that. So you're gonna get at it like this here. Okay, so I used this after I took out the screw, and I popped it up. Okay, and then let's see what's connecting inside. Okay, I got the start button cable disconnected. So here you're gonna press down on this part here really hard. You see this little thing that's sticking out? Press down really hard while separating from here. Okay, same thing. I took off the screw from the bottom like the other side, and then I use this to pry on it. It seems to come out pretty easily. And then this thing here, so you gotta push down on this center piece there. Okay, so this side is disconnected. I was hoping to get access to the inside, to the metal, so I can soften out this. It looks like I can't. Oh well, okay. Unless I can find a way to fill this, I may have to paint it as it is. But you can see how badly it's scratched up. You can leave this on if you want to mask this off, but you can squeeze here in case you have to replace the start button. You can squeeze here and here at the same time, and then we just pull it out. Okay. For this other one, we're gonna have to actually take off the 2 Phillips screws. Okay, once you take this out, this will come out. Okay, I just used the 600 grit to just very softly kind of scuff up the surface a little bit, because I'm gonna paint, but I don't have a primer. I just want it to stick a little better, so I did that. Now I'm gonna hit it with the 2000 just to smooth it out a little bit. Before I did that, I used the alcohol and I cleaned it 3 times before I start sanding it. So after sanding, I'll clean it one more time. I hit it with 2000 just to smooth it out a little bit, and then I did more alcohol, wet alcohol wipes, and then the dry cotton wipes. So this one is all done. I'm gonna prep the edges a little bit, put some masking tape on it, and then it's ready for paint. I haven't done this one, but I'm gonna do the same for this one. Okay, so here's the other one. I was hitting it with the 600, and what I did was there's like almost like a grain going, vertically or horizontally this way. So I was just sanding it this way. I didn't go in circular motion. Not sure if it's gonna show through after painting, but just in case. And there were some light scratches here, and 600 was able to actually take out most of it. So I'm gonna hit it with the 2000 now. Guys, I'm using the Rust-Oleum high performance. This is for the actually for the alloy wheels, but the reason why I'm using this is hey, if it's good for the exterior wheel, it should be really good for the interior. And the color really matched up well, so that's why I'm using this. Let me see if there's a part number. Here's the barcode of this. I think I paid $6 or so from Walmart. So this is after 3rd coat. I'm gonna hit it at least one more time. So far it's covering up pretty good. So I'm working to replace the HID headlight ballast on my Lexus. So I got the front bumper off, got the right side of the wheel taken out, although I got the headlight and I got this ballast here, but looks like I'm gonna have to take apart the whole headlight assembly to get at the wire to disconnect. So, but I wanted to get at least one video published. So this painting this trim was simple enough. I put on about 5 light coats. I think it's mostly dry. I took off the masking tape on one of them. I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna actually use the hair dryer to speed the drying and then put it back on tonight. Okay, so here's the outcome. I think it looks pretty good. This one had a little bit of dimple. I'm just gonna put it back on like this. Later, if I get more time, I may try to fill it, sand it down, and try to smooth that up, but I think it won't be that noticeable. All that discoloring and the part of the paint skin was coming off before, so it looks a lot better now. Okay guys, I didn't record the reinstallation instruction because this was actually a pretty simple one to put back. You guys got the instruction on how to take it apart, so what do you think compared to before? I mean, it looks practically brand new. Look at that. Now this side doesn't look as clean because of the, you know, some of the damage it had, but otherwise all that scuffing and scratch that was down here, it's all gone. I'm super happy. It turned out really great. Next is trying to figure out how to fix this cracking dash here. Some scratches there, some cracks there. I don't know why the previous owner didn't take advantage of the recall. Now the recall has expired, so anyway, I'll figure something out. So that will be my next project.